Most Python courses will take 3 months of your life. And at the end, you still want to know how to clean a dataset. Because they learned the wrong things, I'm going to show you in 15 days exactly what a data analyst uses every single day. Nothing extra, nothing useless. Let's start. See, the problem is simple. Every roadmap online is made for software developers, data scientists, not for data analysts. You don't need to build websites. You don't need to build machine learning models. You need to work with data, clean it, analyze it, present it, then you answer business questions with data. So I made this roadmap keeping only that in mind. 15 days, only what matters for your job. Okay, day 1. First, just get comfortable with Python. Understand how it thinks. You will learn 3 things today: variables, data types, and basic introduction. A variable is just a box where you store something, and data type just means what kind of thing is stored in that box. Is it a number? Is it text? Is it true or false? That's it for day 1. Simple, clean, foundation set. Don't skip this thinking it's too basic. Everything builds on this. Day 2, now it gets a little more interesting. In real data, you will see this problem all the time. A number is stored as text, or text is stored as a number. Typecasting fixes that. You are just converting one type to another. That's all. Then conditional statements. This is just decision making in Python. You will use this logic in every project you ever build. Learn it properly on day 2. Day 3, this is where Python starts saving you time. Imagine you have 500 rows of data. You don't want to do something manually 500 times, right? That's what loops are for. Write it once. Python does it 500 times. Range just controls how many times the loop runs. After day 3, Python stops feeling like studying. It starts feeling like an actual tool. Day 4, 2 things: list and dictionary. These 2 you will use every single day as an analyst. List is just a collection of items. Dictionary maps one thing to another, like a lookup table. In analytics, dictionaries are everywhere. Renaming columns, mapping categories, grouping data. Spend good time. On day 4, these 2 will come up again and again. Day 5, 2 more data structures, simpler ones. Tuple is like a list, but you can't change it. Use it when your data should stay fixed. Set automatically removes duplicates. As an analyst, you will use sets to find unique values, compare 2 lists, find what's common, what's missing. Quick day, but useful. Day 6, strings, means text data. And trust me, in real analyst jobs, so much data is text, like product names, customer names, city names, error messages. Python gives you simple tools to handle all of it. Cleaning text, splitting text, finding patterns in text. You'll do this every week on the job. Day 6 makes you confident with messy text. Day 7, functions. And this is where most beginners make a mistake. They learn functions, but they don't understand why it matters. Let me explain simply. If you're doing the same thing again and again in your code, put it inside a function. Write it once. Use it anywhere. Now just call this function wherever you need it. Functions make your code clean, reusable, and professional. After day 7, you stop writing messy code. You start writing proper code. By the way, if this roadmap is actually helping you, the easiest way to support this channel is just subscribe. It's free. It takes just 2 seconds. And drop a comment below. Tell me which day you're starting from today. Okay, back to it. Day 8, modules and imports. See, Python's actual power is not just the language. It's the thousands of libraries built on top of it. And to use any library, you just import it. Someone already wrote the code for complex things. You just import it and use it. From day 9 onwards, we will be importing libraries every single day. Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib. Day 8 helps you understand. Day 9, NumPy for mathematical calculations. See, data without math is just text. NumPy lets you do calculations on thousands of rows in one line, like mean, median, standard deviation. These are the numbers. Behind every business insight you will present, NumPy is fast, precise, built exactly for this. Day 9, Python becomes your calculator that never gets tired. Day 10, and this is the most important day of all 15 days. Pandas is how analysts actually work with data in Python. Load data, clean it, filter it, reshape it. Every single analyst workflow goes through Pandas. If you give extra time to any one library, give it to Pandas. After day 10, you are functional. You can do real work. Day 11, visualization. Using Matplotlib, see, numbers alone don't convince people. Charts do. Bar charts, line graphs, histograms. You will use these to present your findings to managers, clients, teams. In this job, how your data looks matters as much as what it says. Day 11 is where your analysis becomes a story. Day 12, and this is a very important mindset shift. Raw data is never clean, never. Missing values, duplicates, wrong formats, outliers. Before you analyze anything, you interrogate it first. This is called EDA, Exploratory Data Analysis. Ask questions of the data before you answer questions with it. Day 12 is where you stop being a beginner and start being reliable. Day 13, SQL and Python together. See, in most companies, data lives in databases. SQL brings that data out, Python cleans and analyzes it. Together, they are your complete workflow. Pull data from database directly into Python, done. And today, you also build your first mini project, a sales summary, a simple trend report, anything real output, real practice, real confidence. Day 14, projects and reporting. Take a real dataset. Ask a real business question. Use everything from day 1 to day 13 to answer it. Then present it properly. Clean notebook, clear charts, short written summary. This is what you show in interviews. This is what proves you can actually do the job. Day 14 is not practice anymore. This is your portfolio. Day 15, the last one, and honestly one of the most valuable. It is automation. The best analysts don't just answer questions manually. They build systems that answer questions automatically. Automate your reports, automate your data pulls, automate your cleaning pipeline. Stop working for your data. Make your data work for you. Day 15, you're not just an analyst anymore. You're an efficient one. So that's it. 15 days, 25 topics. Every single one actually used in real data analyst jobs. No web development, no web scraping, no unnecessary stuff. Just what the job actually needs. You have the roadmap now. The only thing left is to start day 1 today. Not tomorrow, because the analysts who start fast, they move fast.